In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check page authority in Moz. We'll go through the process from the very beginning so you can quickly find the page authority score for any page you want to analyze. This is useful if you're evaluating your own content, checking a competitor's page, or simply trying to understand how strong a specific URL appears from an SEO perspective. First, open your web browser and search for Moz. You can use any major browser for this, and searching directly is often the fastest way to get to the official website if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once you see the Moz website in the results, open it. If Moz prompts you to log in, go ahead and log into your account. Depending on your browser session, you may already be signed in, so this step might happen automatically. If you are prompted, just complete the login process so you can access the tool without interruptions. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official Moz website before entering any account details. Once you're inside Moz, move your pointer over the menu labeled Free SEO Tools. When that menu opens, click on Link Explorer. This is the tool you'll use to look up the authority metrics for a specific page. If you don't see it immediately, just pause for a moment while the drop-down menu loads, then select Link Explorer from the available options. After Link Explorer opens, locate the search bar. In that field, paste the full target URL you want to analyze. Make sure you enter the complete address, including the beginning of the URL, so Moz can evaluate the exact page correctly. For example, you would paste a full link like https:/example.com rather than only a partial address. Once the URL is in place, click Analyze. Moz will then generate a report for that page. When the results load, look at the top summary metrics card. This section displays the main high-level data you need, and your page authority or PA score will be shown prominently there. Alongside it, you'll also see the total number of inbound linking domains, which gives you extra context about how many separate domains are linking to that page. That's the full process. Open Moz, log in if needed, go to Free SEO Tools, choose Link Explorer, paste the full URL, click Analyze, and review the top summary area for the page authority score. If you're comparing multiple pages, repeat the same process one URL at a time so you can clearly evaluate the differences.